When we solve quadratic equations, always remember you're going to have two solutions. Just like 4 squared is 16, negative 4 squared is 16. If we're trying to figure out what x is, and we take the square root of both sides, x is going to be both negative 4 and 4, because we're going in the reverse of these. You get the same answer when you square these two numbers. Sometimes they get a little bit trickier, but not that bad. If you have x minus 2 is equal to 79, x squared minus 2 is equal to 79, and I add 2 to both sides, you get 81 is equal to x squared. So if you take the square roots on both sides, you get x is equal to 9 and negative 9. So you get two solutions. If you get x squared minus 200 is equal to 700, for example, add the 200 to both sides, and you wind up with x squared is equal to 900. Now we're going to take the square roots. X is both 30 and negative 30.